Alright, this expression right here looks like the easiest thing in the world, and that's exactly why so many people get it wrong without even noticing. Most people instantly say, 9 divided by 9 is 1, 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 1 divided by 1 is 1. Oh no, that innocent shortcut ruins everything. Because when we have multiple divisions in a row, the rule is very clear. We work strictly from left to right. No skipping, no jumping around, no choosing the part that feels easier. Let me show you the correct way. In this expression, we have 3 divisions in a row, and according to the order of operations. When operations share the same priority, we follow the exact left to right path. So let's begin. Step 1. Start with the very first division. 9 divided by 9 equals 1. Now the expression becomes 1 divided by 3 divided by 3. This is where things start to twist a little. Next, we handle the second division. 1 divided by 3, which we can write as 1 over 3. So now it becomes 1 over 3 divided by 3. And here comes the moment where many people slip. Dividing by a whole number is the same as dividing by a fraction. So we use the K, C, F rule. K for keep, C for change, F for flip. We keep the first fraction, 1 over 3. We change division to multiplication, and we flip the number 3 into 1 over 3. Now the expression is 1 over 3 multiplied by 1 over 3. Multiply straight across. 1 times 1 gives us 1, and 3 times 3 gives us 9. So we get 1 over 9, and that is the real correct answer. Not 1, not a whole number at all. The answer is 1 over 9. Now tell me in the comments, did you try to divide the last 2 numbers first? And if you enjoy catching these hidden order of operations traps, make sure you like this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more daily math tricks.